Galaxy Starry Sky Night Light Projector is marketed as a projector that transforms your room into a galaxy filled with stars, nebulae, and colorful lighting effects. The promotional videos make it look like a personal planetarium, but the real question is, can you trust the marketing? Now, to be fair, star projectors are a legitimate product category and can create a relaxing atmosphere for bedrooms, nurseries, and home entertainment spaces. What it does well: relaxing room ambience. The projected stars and colors can create a calming environment for sleeping or unwinding. Multiple lighting effects. Many models offer different colors, brightness levels, and projection modes. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a real planetarium. Budget projectors typically produce decorative effects rather than scientifically accurate star maps. Projection quality varies. Lower-cost models may have blurry images, less vibrant colors, or limited coverage. Room conditions matter. The best results usually require a dark room with suitable wall or ceiling space. So, should you buy the Galaxy Starry Sky Night Light Projector? Short answer, yes, if you're looking for decorative lighting. If you want to create a relaxing atmosphere or add some visual interest to a room, it may be worth considering. But don't expect the stunning cinematic effects shown in every advertisement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.